If this is not proof that you don't need to go out and spend $500 on your makeup routine, then I don't know what is. It's time to do an updated everyday drugstore makeup routine. First, we are obviously going to moisturize and prep the skin. I was looking for my Neutrogena Hydro Boost and I found the cutest travel size one. This is one of my all-time favorite drugstore affordable moisturizers. It feels really cooling and it sits so well underneath makeup. Now we're going to underpaint. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Contour. To get that perfect gorgeous blend, I put it on this mixing plate first, and I will go in with my brush. And I'm just going to place this in all the areas that I normally bronze and contour. And don't forget the nose. L'Oreal Skin Tint is my favorite drugstore skin tint. I'm going to apply it with my sponge. Finish of this, like, I just can't believe how affordable this is. It literally looks so high-end. Now I'm going to bronze with the Catrice Cream Bronzer. This is $7. Insane. What I do is I put it on my mixing plate. I added a little bit of my moisturizer to that, and now I'm just going to mix it. I feel like this gives it the perfect consistency. And then I'm going to use my brush to all of the areas that I put the original contour down. The NYX brow definer is one of my all-time favorites. I used to carry this in my professional makeup kit. I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Blush Balm. This is shade Toasted Chai. This is basically a dupe for the Rhode Toasted Teddy, but it is a little bit more on the matte side, which I actually love because my skin is a little bit more oily. I like to warm it up on my hand first. I go in with my brush. It's definitely giving sunburn, but it's fine. I'm gonna do a little bit of an under eye combo. I'm starting with this Essence Pink Color Corrector and the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm just gonna merge these two with my beauty blender. If you are not doing your concealer after your blush, I need you to try it because it will change your makeup game. I'm just going back to my beauty blender that still has a little bit of product on it, and I'm just tapping around everything, and this will give you an extra seamless blend. I'm using this soft blur powder from Catrice, tapping off the excess, and we set. This is honestly my favorite drugstore setting powder at the moment. It is so blurry. CoverGirl has just been killing it with their blush. I'm gonna use their Baked Luminous blush in shade Rose Latte on top. Okay, we used quite a bit of powder, so I'm gonna use the hydrating setting spray from Neutrogena. For highlight, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow. It's definitely a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use shade Champagne. Put that down the bridge of the nose. Have that spread out on my hand. I'm going to pick it up with my brush. Put that on the cheeks. For everyday makeup, I really don't wear eyeshadow. I just do a bronzer. So I'm using the City Bronzer from Maybelline. I'm going to use this brown eyeshadow in this Catrice palette. I'm going to do a little baby shadowed wing. It's my favorite for everyday because it's soft and not too much. I have a space heater below my desk that I will warm up my lash curler on, and it is literally the biggest game changer. I can't do my lashes without it being warmed up. Honestly blows my mind how affordable this CoverGirl Rat Mascara is because it literally performs like luxury mascara. I had this NYX plumping lip liner sitting on my lips while I did all my makeup, and it burned. It works so well though. Took it off. I'm gonna use this Emco lip liner. It's definitely a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Liner. This is shade Signature Nude. I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip oil, the shade Chillin' Like a Villain. All right, you guys, here is the final glam. I'm obsessed with this routine. It's so hard to believe that this is all drugstore. Let me know what you guys think and if you try it out.